Recovery happens very automatically, and that's what leads into sports massage. Specifically for walking and running is an excellent tool on the passive side, things that are done to you to accelerate your rest periods. Also, even though in 5 minutes laying down on the tables over here, it doesn't always feel that restful when we're pushing on you, that would count as resting. How many of you have had sports massage? Some form of, okay. A couple of the different things that I want to mention switching to sports massage. There's many different forms. You'll see different terms of deep tissue, Swedish, clinical massage, medical massage, all kinds of massage work. What I want to leave you with today are questions to ask people that provide massage to make sure that you're going to get a sports massage. And then some of the things when you are receiving massage to communicate to the person working with you to let them know that you may not know what you're doing and experiencing, and so to have them be in charge of the massage more so than normal, or if you do know what you're doing, say it's okay to push harder and that you're comfortable being bruised. Being bruised is not uncommon in deep tissue sports massage. Everyone has a very different pain threshold, and is not uncommon when you're having deep tissue massage away from an event as much as a week in advance to have bruises that would last 3 to 5 days and muscle soreness that would also last 3 to 5 days, kind of like a post-event injury. One of the things that that is not often said in massage is the way massage therapy works, no matter what form it is it causes tissue inflammation. And then you might wonder, why would that be a good idea to inflame the tissue? The reason why you want to do it in a constructive way is it sends up on the radar screen an inflammatory marker, and then your body will send enzymes and material through the bloodstream in order to fix and repair the area. So you're actually putting it on the radar by doing massage work. Stretching will also have a similar effect to that. You'll literally break tissue apart on a micro level, and inflammatory markers will be present, and then it shows up on the kind of metabolic radar, and the right material is constantly looking for, enzymes are constantly looking for things to chew down and tear apart. And as soon as you've stretched or massaged or inflamed that area appropriately, that healing takes place. Massage can be performed at any time when the provider knows what they're doing. So one of the mottos that we use is heavy pressure earlier and lighter later. A boxer would have massage in the training room prior to going into the ring. They're not going to be doing the kind of deep release work that we do here unless there's a specific muscle spasm that was occurring. Same thing pre-event running. A person, some of the elites, they'll have massage work done right before they go out and run to keep things kind of loosened up. It almost replicates more of a stretching and warming up and stimulating the muscles. Heavy pressure, as I mentioned earlier, you want to do that at least 3 to 5 days out unless you're very experienced and know what to expect and have a good relationship with the person and you know what to expect from them as well. 2 days before an event, going in kind you've never met before, not communicating what you need or what you're doing, that's a sign for trouble, unless the practitioner is really good and kind of interviews you through the process. One of the other pieces that sports massage does specifically is it will audit your body. Even this morning there's a couple of people when I was working with said I had no idea some of these other parts were sore. To me that's a very valuable tool because I personally have never had massage work and known all the parts that were in need of attention. Usually a person will go in with a hip complaint or a calf and hip or low back, and then you find some stuff on your forearm, your shoulder, neck area, and other areas, and then that is also useful to be inspiring to keep stretching. When stretching kind of falls away, I see a few heads nodding. When stretching kind of falls away, it can get boring. I mean, unless you're watching a good TV show or an exciting movie, it can get really boring and you want to get out and do what you're doing or get on to the next thing when you're done exercising. Having the knowledge of some things that are not working correctly will help you stretch more, in my opinion.